In this Monday makeup lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to recreate this makeup look. If you're new to the Makeup Chair channel, then click subscribe below. It's totally free. And if you're already subscribed, then thank you and welcome back. Hope you enjoy this look, and let's get started. For this look, you will need 2 eyeshadows. One matte mid tone, which is at least 1 shade darker than your skin tone. One metallic bronze, either a golden bronze, silver, or in my case, a purple bronze. You'll also need a black pencil liner and a nude pencil, but this is optional. We're only using one brush, so we're using a blending brush. Then mascara, lashes and lash glue, and concealer. So I'm using the concealer as a base, which I've already applied on the lids, and this will create a blank canvas for us to work on. So the first step is to take the blending brush and the matte eyeshadow. You can also use your matte bronzer if you prefer. And we're going to apply this into the crease of the eye. For the crease of the eye is where we want to place the into the eye shape. So we're going to take the eyeshadow in and place it on the corner. We'll use this on the top edge. And let's use your brush on first because it's not going to matte. We always have to use the eye so sweep from the base and let's move on to the edge. Something that looks like this. The shadow is predominantly in the crease of the eye, blending down and blending up as if to disperse and blur out the crease shape. This technique is great for hooded eyes as it contours the lid, but also works on most eye shapes. It creates depth, shape, and shadow. The next step is to take your black liner and apply this on the upper waterline. So look down in the mirror and let the pencil run up along the upper lash line. We can't do this because the lash line is being and fading in to that inner corner, and this will complement most eye shapes. Then take your blending brush again and softly sweep out any harsh lines. No need to pick up any extra product, just softly sweep. And then do the same thing on the lower lash line, smudging that bronzy tone under the eyes and making sure the outer edge has the majority of the color and blending in. You'll probably notice that all the smudging has caused the black pencil to drop down a little on the lower lash line. That's actually a good thing. We can use this as we're smudging to create a smokier effect. Then I clean my lower lash line of any black and apply a nude liner, but this is optional, though it does open up the eyes a little more. Apply mascara, lashes, and